Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of DB2 SQL, which is sign. So sign function basically accept the value as a angle and then calculates the equivalent uh, sign value in terms of radian. Okay, so whenever you want to calculate the equivalent, you want to calculate a sign value of in terms of radian for a particular angle. In that case, you can utilize this sign function. Okay, so it is a trigonometric function, and let's say if you are working for some mathematical related application and there you want to use this function, then you can use it, and the syntax is quite simple. I will show you firstly in SQLRPGLE program like how I am using this, and then we'll say on the normal query. So here what we are doing, we are declaring one constant which is SQL state underscore valid with 5 times 0, and this constant we are going to use to verify the query whether it is executed properly or not. Then we have one variable, result1 variable, which we will be using for storing the output which we are returning from the query. Then as usual, we are setting the commit equals to star none, and this is optional because if you are not modifying anything into the table, in that case you can skip this line. Otherwise you have to like if you are modifying something, in that case you need to keep this line, otherwise you can skip it. Okay, now here we are using the main function, so just simply write exec SQL, which is for executing SQL. Select sine of 90, so it will calculate the sine of 90 and returns the output in terms of radian, and whatever the output it will get, it will be stored into this host variable result1, and this data is coming from sys ibm.system1. Clear? Once it is executed, we will verify the query. So we are checking here if SQL state equals to SQL state underscore valid, then display result, else display the SQL state along with the error message, query ended with an error, and then end if INLR on. Clear? So let's quickly compile this program and call this. So it is returning output as 1, sin 90 equals to 1. Okay. Now I will show you the same thing, like how we can use the same query on normal SQL query, it means on STR-SQL. So here you can see select sine of 1.047. Here we are not using any host variable, so I just I'm just using it here as sine value radians from sys So this is system library. So if I hit enter here, you can see it is returning the value which is 8.659266 something. Okay. So yeah, I hope it is clear to all of you, and this is mainly a mathematical trigonometric function. So as per your requirement, like you can utilize this function, and yeah, that's all for this session. And thank you. We will see the another topic in next session. Thank you.